Hello friend, welcome back. There are some important updates on practice page as few people have reported there are some issue while loading the practice page of Selectors Hub. Like it was not loading for few people. Like Naveen also reported this issue that when loading the practice page, it used to take a lot of time and sometimes it is not loading. So we have fixed this issue now, and while fixing this issue we have to make some minor changes on the practice page. So let me show you what are those changes, so that you will not face any issue like where is that element now, what happened, why this is not visible and all. So let me just walk you through that. Here on SelectorsHub.com, this is the practice page. Direct link, go here. Now you will observe that it will be loading very fast. Not for this issue was not for everyone, but few people, very few people were uh, like getting that issue. So if you didn't get that issue, don't worry about that. Okay, so the first thing, reason why those people were getting those loading issue or timeout error, because this page is very heavy. Like there were lots of iframe, shadow DOM, and then multiple iframes. So whenever there are like lots of iframe in single page, that's where like it used to take a lot of time to load the page, as well as sometimes Chrome also doesn't allow to load that, or maybe like it might get timeout and all. So for that reason, what we have done now, we have moved all the iframe elements into the separate page. We created a separate page, and for that you will find the link here, so that now this page also became very fast, so you will not observe any performance issue, and you will also be able to practice in a better way, and you will also get some space and neat and clean page for the different elements. So in fact it is going to make your life much better now. So the first change is on this page. If let me go from the left side. Below this user table, you must have seen this. There was a username, enter name, and the search bar. Below this there was an element which was uh, inside shadow DOM, and that shadow DOM, inside that shadow DOM there was an iframe. So basically iframe inside shadow DOM. So that scenario, now we have moved to the next page. So if you will click on this, it will open the next page, like where you will see this, that element. Now this element will be inside shadow this element is inside iframe, and then this iframe is inside shadow DOM if you inspect that. So you can now practice from here. So this way you will see that the element is there, but we have provided the link. So if you will click on that, it will take you to that page. Then next change is, here we were having earlier iframe scenarios. So now as we have moved all iframe to the separate pages, so here if you have to practice like iframe, nested iframe, etc., then you click on this link and it will take you to that iframe page. So here you will see that there are iframes. So like if you want to practice simple iframe, one iframe, two iframe, or three iframe, then you just inspect element, and SelectorsHub will tell you that inside how many iframe this element is inside. Like two iframe this is, and then the last one is inside three iframe. So that all you will be able to practice from here. So you see that basically what we have done, we moved element outside this page, few elements, very few elements, those which were having iframe, because it will improve the performance of the page and you will be able to like practice flawlessly, and you will be like you will learn lots of things easily from that. Okay, so that were the changes from the left side. On the right side, you must have seen there was a section on the right side, food time. Under food time there were lots of elements here which were like inside shadow DOM, and that shadow DOM was inside iframe. Close shadow DOM was in those kind of elements. So that we have here under food time. You see that click to practice shadow DOM inside iframe scenario. So if you click on this, it will take you to that page, and here we have moved all those elements which were there at that section. So now you have that do you love tea, what would you like to have, and all those elements here in this page, and here you can practice. Now if you right click, inspect, and open. So you see that this element is inside shadow DOM, and then that shadow DOM is inside iframe. If you inspect this element, then it will tell you that this is inside element is inside iframe and all, but this is inside close shadow DOM, so that also you will get to know. So please read carefully what all information it is giving you, so that way you would be able to get to know everything. So this way you will get a lot of things, and everything is available here. So basically minor changes from that page to this page, how you will get to know all those elements is still there, just that we have moved out of this page because it became like very heavy, and for few people it was not loading, sometimes very rarely, not for everyone. Many people might have never observed this issue. So yeah, so that was a quick update about the uh, practice page, guys. So I hope like this is helping a lots of people, and in fact like we have also added this update. We have to move iframe on separate pages due to performance issue on this page. And if you guys have need any help, any support, you can anytime reach out to us here. And there were like lots of new tool we have recently invented and added here, free tools. So if you guys haven't checked them, please do check out those new tools from the SelectorsHub website. Like we recently launched the testing daily, so if you haven't check out this added this plugin testing daily in your browser, do add it in your browser. And whenever going forward you will open new tab, you guys will see the feed like this automatically. As well as we have also like this testing daily is also available for as a mobile app, so you can install it on your Android phone and iOS phone from like Play Store and App Store. So do install it. It is already like thousands of people are already using it, so please give it a try. This is really good tool which shows you all the like latest testing trends and video tutorial, everything at one place. Okay, so yeah, that was the pretty much updates from the practice page. I hope you guys are enjoying this, and this is helping you guys in learning and practicing. Thank you so much.